The eStudio system can print banners on Toshiba's special water and tear-resistant Aqua Ace banner paper. To program a custom paper size for banner printing, access the system's printing preferences. Then perform the following steps to set a custom paper size for the Aqua Ace banner paper. Select the Others tab on the Printing Preferences window. Select the Custom Paper Size button. Select a custom paper to modify from the paper size list. If no custom paper has been created, select Add. In the Name field, enter a custom name such as Banner. In the A Paper Size Length field, enter the length for the banner paper. Aqua Ace length is 8.5 inches. In the B Paper Size Width field, enter the width for the banner paper. Aqua Ace width is 47.24 inches. Note, because the banner is printed in landscape format, the length setting represents the height of the paper as loaded in the bypass tray, and the width setting represents the length of the paper. Select the units, inches, or millimeters. Select OK. A new custom paper size called Banner is now available in the Custom Paper Size list on the Basic tab. When the Confirm pop-up appears, select OK. Press OK to close Confirm window. Your custom banner size has been added to your print driver and is now ready to use.